atong makauban ang pride sa Jensen kung asa giila siya isip Asia Pacific Luminaire Awardee as Asia's Young Marketing and Sales Achiever in the field of real estate 2022. Let's welcome sa GMA Jensen Studio our Asia Pacific Luminaire Awardee Brian Patawi. Hello Brian, welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Hello ma'am, and thank you for having me. It's a pleasure.
Masaya rin kami na nakausap ka namin in person today. Ayan, una sa tanan, Brian, congratulations for winning the Asia Pacific Luminaire Award as Asia's Young Marketing and Sales Achiever in the field of real estate. Unsa may nabati nimo the moment you heard the good news nga ikaw ang makadawat ani nga award?
To be honest, I was really shocked. I never imagined naman na magkakaroon ako ng ganitong award. Since I'm just 25 years old and I've been working in the real estate industry for almost 6 years. No? I have been in a different company. And one thing talaga na nasa isip ko that, oh my God, all my effort, all my hard works, parang it paid off because of this certificate and this award. And aside from that, all the congratulatory words that I have received sa mga agents, sa mga companies was so much pleasure yung natanggap ko. So I was very happy and I could able to say that, oh, I was really here in the real estate industry and I'm very glad that I was able to have that award.
I couldn't agree more sa sinabi mo. At syempre, sa napakaraming real estate agent, di ba?
Yes,
Napaka-overwhelming na ikaw yung awardee for this year. Ayan, para sa kasayuran sa atong mga kapuso viewers, Brian, unsa ba ning Asia Pacific Luminaire Awards o unsa ba ang qualifications nila aning pasidungog?
Okay, Asia Luminaire Pacific Award are given for those who have exemplary effort on their field or their industry na meron sila. So for me, as a real estate, parang we just don't limit my work on the four corner of the office. I go beyond what is the responsibility that was asked. And siguro with that, nakita at naramdaman nung nag-nominate sa akin that I go what was given lang. Hindi yung parang I limit myself to that particular task. Because I always have the vision kasi that when you give me the task, I will do whatever it takes to fulfill that. And let me handle it. Yun yung sa akin po kasi.
Very nice. So, yun pala yung sekreto mo sa naging success mo this year. So, magaya nga namin yan para maging successful rin kami sa aming field. Among nasayran sab nga, dili basta-basta ang mga awardees nga mahatagan og pasidungog karong tuiga kung asa, nausab ang atong mga kapuso GMA artists sa Manilang Maine Mendoza, Atom Arroyo, Sanya Lopez, Vicky Morales, Jack Roberto, ug ang primetime king and queen Dingdong Dantes ug Marian Rivera. Unsang imong nabati nga nahilera ka sa mga biggest names sa showbiz industry?
Actually, parang plus factor na lang siya. Kasi when I was able to receive the award, parang full of happiness na. And then the next day, nag-come up pa yung mga pangalan ng biggest artist of GMA, which is a very pride kasi nakikita lang natin sila on TV. So, yung isa sa mga factor na naramdaman ko is like, this is not just a certificate, this is not just an award, but this is biggest factor and platform na maraming tumitingin, maraming pwedeng ma-inspired with this certificate together with my co-awardee. So, sana maging actions namin ito to really give a message for our young Filipino to work hard on their field. Para naman kahit paano they could able to really achieve what I have been done because nothing is impossible when you work hard for it.
So, kahit saan ka padalhin itong career mo, nakatatak na to sa'yo, itong award na to.
Yes, and I'm very grateful for that.
And speaking of real estate, unsa ba ka-importante ang pag-invest sa real estate, especially karon nga anaa pa ta sa pandemic stage?
Actually, we already live naman in the pandemic situation, no? And we would like to calibrate the idea na we are still on the pandemic period. Let's go move forward. One of the greatest factor kung in the terms of real estate is that we could able to use this in any circumstances that we're going to face internationally or nationwide economic problem or any circumstances in our life. So the very relevant po nitong real estate is that it could be one of our greatest defend or one of our greatest weapon kung ano man yung mangyayari in the future. And as of ngayon po, maraming factor, maraming ino-offer, maraming opportunity sa real estate, and I'm hoping that our General Santos or South Cotabateños or all the Filipinos will really invest in real estate because it will help not just ourselves, not just our family, but of course our economy. At yung simple actions natin to invest in real estate can make a big difference.
Okay. Minsan nga napapaisip din ako mag-invest sa real estate.
You should invest now. I really suggest that
Sige,
you should
usap tayo mamaya.
Yes.
Ayan, kano sa pamahitabo ang Asia Pacific Luminaire Awards 2022 ug asa kini pahigayon?
Okay, the Asia Luminaire Award will be on November 23, 2022 at Okada, Manila. So, babiyahe po tayo doon at tatanggapin natin yung award na yun.
So, naka-ready na ang outfit and all?
Within this week, papunta na tayo with our designer para sa susuotin natin doon because we are going to promote the beauty of General Santos City.
Ayan, nakaka-excite. So, ayan, aabangan namin ang photos
Yes.
mo sa social media. Yan, lastly, unsa ang imong mensahe sa tanan ug sa mga both sa mamahimong successful sa ilang career?
My message po sa lahat, most especially the young Filipino, the youth, is that you strive hard on the field that you are with. Sa ngayon po kasi lahat tayo, we have been suffering because of the pandemic. Pero hindi po siya reason para mag-stop tayo. Bagkus, we should work hard. Kung kahit anong field po, kahit anong profession, kahit anong trabaho po, pagtrabahuan lang po natin ng maayos and everything will go through. Lahat po ng pagod na meron tayo, lahat po yan merong bunga. In God's grace, everything will be at its great purpose po. So, keep moving, keep working, do your best. Huwag niyo pong ilimit in the four corner of your home, yung capacity ninyo. Go out, go beyond your expectation kasi doon natin mas nakikita kung ano pa yung capacity na meron tayo. And we naman as a Filipino, we are dominant in all aspect and in all factor po.
Daghang salamat Brian sa time nga gihatag nimo sa At Home with the GMA Regional TV. Hinaot nga daghan pa ka og award nga madawat ug mas magmalampuson pa ka sa imong career.
Thank you so much, man, and I hope that this will not just limit po dito sa akin, but all those who are privileged and those who really work hard po, sana lahat tayo makatanggap ng mga award.
Ayan. We're looking forward na ma-interview ka namin ulit sa susunod at
Yes.
ibang award na naman.
Yes, there are some awards already on call and probably in Southern Leyte and here in General Santos. So, see you.